Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the show. Dylan here. Today we are discussing a very real topic about driving for Uber, and that is quitting, all right? Quitting Uber, okay? We have a very, relevant story about a driver who just quit. And comes from the Uber driver Reddit page. It just came out and I want to share it with you guys. And I'm also somebody who quit driving Uber, and maybe some of you guys are considering it. So that's what we're going to be talking about. I'm going to share this story, but before I jump in, if you are looking for a new way to make money, or if you have considered quitting, check out my link below to the Faceless YouTube channel program. This is something I've been doing for over 5 years. It's what I did after I quit Uber. This is just the past year, I made over 10,000 bucks a month. Some months bringing in over $30,000, $20,000. So you can really quickly see why it didn't make sense for me to work these other jobs, because I was starting to make money on YouTube. So if you want to learn how to set up your own page, there's a 30-day free trial right now below. You can try it out, test it out if you want, and you can watch the video, watch the tutorial on how to set up your own page and start making thousands of dollars per month. So I will help guide you through it, and you don't need any experience or any following. I didn't have any experience when I started. And I've already taught a lot of people in my own life, and now I'm setting up that link below. Okay, so this driver says, after 5 days of work, I'm quitting. He says, I recently bought a new car and have a child on the way, so I figured I'd do Uber to pay for current and upcoming expenses. But the amount of miles, 2,500, I've put on the vehicle in that small span of time will destroy or greatly reduce the longevity of the vehicle. Bought the car with 0 miles, and I'm above 3,500 miles as of now. Additionally, Uber does take 50%, as I've confirmed it multiple times. Another big issue is something that happened last night. I'm close to coming home, and I decided to take one final passenger. The black prompt comes up and it says 45 plus minute for this ride, and I'm fine with that. The passenger is elderly and disabled, so of course I help him with his walker, but it's not until I start the ride that I now see how far I'm going for 35 bucks. It's an hour-and-a-half ride one way through Ocala National Forest with no reception on a 2-lane road. The sun is quickly going down, and there's signs for bears. The entire trip I'm pissed because I didn't want to ditch the man, so I continued. Finally, I get to his destination, and he tells me he selected the general area as yes, looking for his brother. First location, brother not there. I drive to second location, it's on the side of some house, and he wants me to drive on dirt trail towards some trees, essentially into complete darkness. I tell him, no, I'm not going there. He says, you're gonna make me walk? I told him, I'm not going there. I take out his walker and I stay sitting in my car so I can shed light for him from car, and turns the corner behind house fence, and I leave no tip. The drive back was 2.5 hours, and I missed my dinner my wife made for me. Had to crash at a family member's house because I was too tired. I started at 9 a.m. and got home at 11:30 p.m. Never again. Wow, I'm out of breath. Yeah, that sounds about accurate about what it means driving for Uber. Sounds about right, brother. 35 bucks for a 4-hour ride, and he had to do it, he missed his family dinner. He put on over 2,500 miles on your car. This is exactly what Uber does not want you to know when you sign up to drive. They just want to say, oh yeah, I make 30 to 50 bucks an hour. They don't want you to realize, they don't say, oh, by the way, you're going to be putting on 200 to 300 to 400 miles on your car per day, and the value of your car is going to tank. Like you're literally flushing down your car's value down the toilet. So it's not a long-term game plan, and honestly, even a short-term game plan like this guy, it's not good. And one ticket, because you're driving on the road, so much more. One parking ticket, one driving ticket, one this, one that. I remember I got a red light camera ticket, and it cost me like 500 bucks, and I had to go to traffic school to get it off my record. And it's just this is just the reality of driving Uber. There's better ways to make money. Guys, we have 3 earning opportunities down below in the description box. If you go down there, there's 3 different ways you can learn how to make money. In the next month, there's 30-day free trials. So you can sign up for each of them and try them out and try to start making money quickly. There's the TikTok Shop program that I've already made thousands of dollars on TikTok Shop. It is a new way I'm making money, but it seems like it's really trending and a lot of people are making like 50 grand a month off TikTok Shop. So I'm obviously trying that out. I've already made decent money off TikTok Shop, but I haven't made over 100K yet. Probably in total on TikTok, I made like $50,000. But yeah, so there's a 30-day free trial down below for TikTok Shop. There's a 30-day free trial down below for Shopify dropshipping. I love Shopify dropshipping mainly because you don't have to buy any inventory when you sell your product, so you can basically get started for very little investment, which is kind of what I always look for in a new business. I don't like to spend a lot of money up front. And then the last one is the Faceless YouTube channel program, which I already talked about. So you can click all those 3 links below, sign up for any of them you like. Otherwise, guys, thanks for watching. Take care. God bless. And let me know if you've ever considered quitting driving for Uber. Bye now.